There's a moment in the maturation of alignment when something very quiet begins to happen. You stop trying to organize your life. Your life begins organizing the space around you. Opportunities appear without force. Conversations become clearer. The right people begin arriving at the right time. Not because you're managing things more skillfully, but because something inside you has become more structurally stable. And when that stability is present, your life itself begins functioning like architecture. A quiet structure that others can feel. Hi, I'm Prema. You can explore your own energetic design through the Sacred Wealth Code quiz, or calculate your Vedic astrology chart using the chart calculator. The links are below. Both these tools are free and help you reveal the deeper architecture already present in your life. All right, let's enter the heart of this transmission. There's a phase in the journey of alignment where we spend a great deal of time trying to organize our lives. We adjust our work. We reconsider relationships. We change routines, environments, priorities. From the outside, it can look like constant movement. But internally, something deeper is happening. We're refining our placement. Over time, that refinement begins to stabilize. Decisions become clearer. Boundaries become simpler. Values become easier to recognize. And eventually, the world begins responding to that clarity. At first, alignment is mostly internal. You're questioning things, adjusting choices, paying attention to what feels true and what doesn't. But over time, something stabilizes. Your direction becomes easier to recognize. Your decisions require less effort. Your boundaries become clearer. And gradually the environment begins responding to that clarity. You may notice people approaching you differently. Opportunities appear that once would not have been visible. Other things quietly fade away. The architecture of this is very simple. Clarity organizes participation. A lighthouse doesn't chase ships across the sea. It simply stands in its place. Because it holds its position consistently, navigation becomes possible. Alignment functions the same way. When someone becomes clear about who they are and where they stand, that clarity becomes visible. Some people move closer. Others move away. But everyone can feel the signal. Where in your life have you noticed things becoming simpler once you became clear about your placement? At a certain stage of alignment, something deeper begins to happen. Your life itself becomes a signal. People begin orienting around it. Not because you're trying to influence anyone, but because coherence is recognizable. A tuning fork demonstrates this beautifully. When one tuning fork vibrates cleanly, another tuning fork tuned to the same frequency begins vibrating as well. The first fork doesn't force the second one to move. It simply holds its tone. Human coherence works in much of the same way. When someone stabilizes their alignment, their life begins transmitting a signal. People who resonate move closer. People who do not resonate naturally move elsewhere. Nothing needs to be forced. You may notice this when decisions that once felt complicated suddenly become obvious. Where have you experienced clarity reorganizing your environment? Influence is often misunderstood. People think it comes from visibility, persuasion, or strategy. But influence more often emerges from stability. Imagine a large stone placed in a river. The stone does not push the water. It doesn't direct the current. Yet the entire flow of the river reorganizes around its presence. A life lived in alignment functions the same way. Decisions become simpler. Values become visible. And gradually, the environment reorganizes itself around that stability. At this stage, alignment stops being something you constantly think about. You recognize it quickly. You feel when something fits. You feel when it doesn't. And because of that, life becomes easier to navigate. Not because circumstances are perfect, but because the inner structure is stable. Eventually, your life itself becomes the organizing structure for everything around you. In Vedic astrology, we see this same principle reflected through the planetary archetypes. Saturn, for example, represents the maturation of structure. Over time, Saturn teaches us how to stabilize our decisions and live in alignment with what is true. When that maturation occurs, life becomes easier to navigate. Not because challenges disappear, but because the inner architecture is strong. Venus, which governs values, relationships, reflects something similar. When we become clear about what we truly value, relationships and opportunities naturally organize around that clarity. Again and again, cosmic law reflects the same message. Alignment is not something we maintain through constant effort. Eventually, it becomes the structure through which life flows. If you're drawn to exploring this level of alignment and structural clarity more deeply, Sacred Wealth Mastery is the space where we work with these principles in a much more integrated way. Inside that field, we explore the architecture of wealth, leadership, and life purpose through astrology, lived experience, and deeper structural awareness. You may learn more about Sacred Wealth Mastery through the link below. We are going to tune in with two of the archetypes that have come forward from the Sacred Wealth Code Oracle deck. First, we have the Connector. The Connector is one of Venus's archetypes, and the mantra is, "We are all one." The Connector reminds us that when alignment stabilizes within ourselves, it begins linking people and opportunities that belong together. Not through effort, but through resonance. You may be already experiencing this. Your clarity may be quietly bringing the right people into proximity. The second archetype today is the communicator, one of Mercury's archetypes. And the mantra is, words have power. When your life becomes coherent, your words often become simpler and more direct. You're no longer speaking to convince anyone. You're speaking from clarity. And that clarity carries influence. Together, these archetypes affirm that as alignment stabilizes, both connection and communication naturally strengthen. Let's do an embodiment practice together so we can integrate this. Take a moment to bring your awareness to your breath. Take a deep, full breath. Maybe put your hand on your heart. Breathe in and out through your heart. Let your shoulders drop. Feel your body. Now take a moment to bring your awareness to a situation in your life where you've been trying to organize things. Perhaps a decision, a relationship, or a direction you've been considering. Whatever comes up first, just trust that and go with that. And instead of asking what you should do, it's time for a different question. Where is my natural placement here? Where do I already feel clear? Just notice what you notice. Truth comes up first. Simply. Now notice what happens when you allow that placement to exist without forcing anything. Sometimes the most powerful movement we can make is simply standing where we already belong. If this conversation resonated for you, I want to invite you to join us for a full moon coherence circle held on the full moons, where we explore these themes together in a live gathering each month. You can explore the Soul Blueprint readings and the Sacred Wealth Code readings through the links below. All links are below. If you're ready for a deeper exploration of alignment and leadership, you can also learn more about Sacred Wealth Mastery below. If you found value in this episode, I invite you to follow the show, like, subscribe, leave a review, leave a comment, wherever you are listening. I thank you so much for being here. Remember, your soul carries a blueprint for your purpose and prosperity. When your participation aligns with that design, it begins organizing itself around your coherence. In perfect timing, in perfect sequence. So much love to you.